Big breaking news that's coming in from Tamil Nadu, where the state government has transferred Health Secretary Bila Rajesh, even as there's been a surge in COVID cases in Tamil Nadu. So the government there cracking the whip and has transferred the state Health Secretary Bila Rajesh. She was the one who was initially holding daily briefings, giving us details about the numbers in Tamil Nadu. After that stopped also, the interactions did get lesser really with the health secretary, but this comes as a big step as the government has now decided to replace the health secretary. Akshay Nath is joining us with more details on this. Akshay, unexpected move this, but it looks like the Tamil Nadu government at this point is holding the health secretary responsible for the situation in the state, particularly in Chennai.
Yes, Akshita, what we're seeing here currently is that Bila Rajesh, who had been holding the post right from the time that the pandemic had broken, is now transferred. And J. Radhakrishnan, who was recently appointed as a special nodal officer, he will be taking over the charge. And we need to remember that during the tsunami time in Tamil Nadu as well, it was Dr. J. Radhakrishnan who was then the acting officer. He had been a very close man to former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha. And at this time of crisis, it seems like the old members of the senior staff are being taken into consideration. And what we're seeing now is a shocking move, especially at a time when COVID-19 has been increasing in the state of Tamil Nadu. On a daily basis, we've been seeing more than 1,000 cases. So it is indeed a shocker here, and we're seeing that the government is trying to figure out new measures to try curtailing the pandemic, Akshita.
All right, Akshay, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.